If you're a freelance creator or a UGC content creator working with global clients, one of the biggest challenges is getting paid fast, fair, and in your own currency. In this video, I'll show you how Airwallex helps creators get paid faster in multiple currencies with lower costs and less admin. It's honestly the setup that I wish I knew about sooner when working with international clients. And just a heads up for Airwallex, you will need a business entity in order to sign up for an account. The reality of getting paid as a creator working with international clients is that most of us rely on PayPal, Wise, or Stripe. And sure, they work, but here's what actually happens behind the scenes. You lose money every time you get paid in another currency. Between conversion, markups, and platform fees, you can lose 3 to 5% of your income just to access your own money. Payments take forever. Transfers from the UK to the US or Australia to Canada can take days, sometimes even a week, depending on the routes, banks, and currencies involved. And for your clients, it's honestly not that much better. Many payment platforms don't support local payment methods or local currencies, which adds friction and delays, especially when they're trying to pay creators across borders. So when you add all of that up, you're spending more time chasing invoices and waiting for payments to actually clear than actually creating content. You shouldn't have to lose money or momentum just because your clients live in a different country. So here's where Airwallex comes in. If you're a freelance or UGC creator working with brands all over the world, you need a way to get paid that's fast, fair, and built for how creators actually work today. Airwallex is an all-in-one global payments platform built for modern businesses, including solo creators and freelancers, as long as you have a business entity. So you can accept, hold, and manage money across currencies without forced conversions or hidden surprises. It's super easy for you to generate payment links to collect international payments from your clients. It's fast, transparent, and made for how we actually work today. So what actually makes it different? First, it eliminates those frustrating FX conversion losses. With an Airwallex global account, you can collect and hold more than 20 currencies like USD, EUR, GBP, AUD, JPY, and more. For example, if a brand pays you in euros, you can keep euros with no auto swap back to USD. You can convert only when you choose, so you avoid unnecessary FX costs and keep more of what you earn. Now that is huge because it saves you from losing 3 to 5% on every payment just due to exchange rates. Second, you can get paid like a local with local bank account details. Airwallex gives you local bank details in 20 countries and lets you get paid via local transfer like a local in 70 countries. That means your clients can pay you the way that they're used to, which is often faster and with fewer intermediaries. You look more professional and you get your money sooner. And third, not every client wants to do a bank transfer. With Airwallex payment links, you can accept payments via 160 plus local payment methods across more than 180 countries via cards, Apple Pay and Google Pay, buy now, pay later options, and even e-wallets are included. You just generate a link, share it in an email, DM, or invoice, and your client pays in their local currency using a familiar method, so it's really clean and simple. Most importantly, it is built for speed and transparency. You can see exactly when your payment is coming, how much you will receive, and the exchange rate up front. So there's no surprises and no waiting weeks for money to arrive. Now, if you want to try Airwallex for yourself, you can use my affiliate link in the description below at no extra cost to you. So how does it actually work? Inside Airwallex, you can create what's called a payment link, which is basically a custom checkout link that you can send to any client anywhere. You just type in the amount, select the currency, let's say pounds, for example, if you're working with a UK client, and that's it. Airwallex will handle the rest. Then you just send that link through an email, DM, or add it to your invoice when you bill your brands or partners, or you could even drop it in your own website. Your client clicks a link, pays in their currency using the preferred local payment method, and you receive the funds quickly without losing anything to conversion fees. Again, it's fast, professional, and saves you both time and money. Now, once that money hits your multi-currency balance, you can issue unlimited virtual corporate cards to manage business spends such as ads, tools, contractors, you name it. Built-in expense management is also included, so you and any collaborators can track receipts and approvals without extra software. If you're getting any value out of this video so far, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will help me as well as other creators know this video could be valuable to them as well. Now let's get back into the video. Now you're probably thinking, can't I just use PayPal or Wise or Stripe? Now, sure, of course you can, but here's the difference. Those tools were built for simple money transfers or checkout payments. Airwallex, on the other hand, is an all-in-one platform. You accept and hold funds, issue unlimited virtual corporate cards, and manages expenses in one place, so you can spend less time on admin and more time creating. Compared to PayPal or Wise, you're cutting down on fees, speeding up transfers, and getting a professional setup that actually scales as your creator business grows as well. So instead of juggling 5 different tools just to run your business, Airwallex gives you one unified system. The best part is that it's free to get started, so there's no monthly fee on the entry plan. You just pay transaction and FX conversion fees when you use them. Now, if you need more advanced features or higher volumes later, there are paid plans available by region. But most importantly, you'll need to have a business entity in order to sign up, like an LLC or an S Corp, etc. Now, the bottom line is that you can start using Airwallex with zero monthly fees and zero commitment, and you can scale as you grow and always know exactly what you'll pay. It's a flexible, cost-effective way to manage your global payments as a creator or freelancer. So whether you're a video editor working with a client in Germany, or a UGC creator delivering content to a brand in Australia, or a social media manager billing UK clients, you can send one link, get paid locally in their currency, and keep funds in that currency until you're ready to convert or spend. It's faster, more professional, and helps you keep more of your income in your pocket. Airwallex payment links makes it really simple if you're ready to stop losing money to conversion fees and make your payment process effortless. Now again, if you want to try Airwallex for yourself, you can use my affiliate link in the description below at no extra cost to you. And as always, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another video from me. Thanks so much for watching, and keep building your dream.